So hello and welcome guys to Diecast photography. I have finally some new collection of bikes which I will be unboxing throughout this week and month. And first I will start with the Bburago KTM 450 Rally. It's a Dakar Rally model. It's a 1:18 scale model, and here's a box packaging. Basically a see-through box. The Indian pricing is 850 rupees, around $11. So let's start the unboxing, guys. Here is the bike itself. The first impressions are the detailing is quite amazing here with all the brand logos. As you can see, this on the handlebar itself, the Red Bull logo. Quite amazing detailing here, guys. And this bike is made out of mostly die-cast metal, and some elements of plastic is also included, and the tires are of rubber, and they are free rolling tires. And also the back tire has this suspension, so, and there's a free stand as well. So this is how it looks. So this is all for this video. There are also more bikes coming for unboxing here, as you can see. And in case you have missed out, I have other videos as well. So kindly subscribe, like, and follow my channel and Instagram at Diecast Photography. Thank you, guys.